you can experience the continuity of naturalistic atmosphere and beauty in our hotel, situated next to the singing waterfalls of the River Una, a place that floods the genuine peacefulness for your eyes, body, and soul. Whether you are in aspiration for a respite from the fast pace of daily life, or that you are in need of an ideal business place, you can start your successful and joyful day in the relaxed atmosphere of our hotel. Restore your life energy on this impressive site. Listen to continuously murmur of waterfalls of the River Una, only 8 kilometers from Bihać. The rooms with excellent views of the River Una will inspire you to search for the secrets of her beauty. As the embodiment, personification, or expression of personal taste, we offer 50 single and double rooms and 3 deluxe suites of superior comfort, designed for business travelers and those who want to relax with their family or friends. The beauty of the natural environment simply blends in with flavors of culinary specialties of our hotel. Take advantage of a wide-capacity 220 seats of our casually conceived restaurant, stylized and archaic and modern at the same time, elegant but simple, warm, friendly. Paradise of flavors, blends of international and local meals offers a complete pleasure. Enjoy the true experience of juicy desserts, the finest hot and cold drinks, and aromatic meat with fish specialties, harmony of choices and delights, the combination of the traditional with the modern tastes. Our hotel also contains a designed hall for your pleasant business with 100 seats. It includes a VIP lounge and full multimedia equipment, professional sound system, lights, projector, internet, a complete technical safety. We are the creators of unforgettable experiences for you and your guests. The hotel is the proud holder of TripAdvisor recommendations. The untouched nature of the valley of the River Una will impress you with the variety of relaxation contents. After an exciting day, you can revive freedom of movement in nature through biking, hiking, diving, or fishing on the River Una. The most attractive activity is rafting on the River Una, which is a real adventure as a sports and tourist pleasure on its Emerald Rapids. Where begins the primeval beauty of nature, where clear view reflects clean breath, where melodic murmur hides a secret of Una's depth, where emerald waterfalls emanate harmony, turns off the thirst of all the senses. In this heavenly water reflects an oasis of calm and fullness of life. Kostelski Buk